Hi folks, this is a tone study in indigo. I just wet the bits of the paper. This is on a £90 rough paper, and I just wet bits of it. Then I went in, I flooded the wet bits with the indigo and just built up the landscape, and I put this pond in. I was going to do a two-tone using indigo and sepia. I used to do these things about 40 years ago, before I discovered the hake and Ron Ranson, which really sort of changed everything for me. But very simple view, but very effective. Snow scene. I hope you like it. Not much else I can add to it. I just had some fun with it. And you can see, because this is a quality paper, you get this wonderful bleeding. You know, you don't get the hard edges unless it hits the paper, but you can flood and move things around a bit. But I like it. It's a very simple statement, and I think sometimes, or more often than not, less is more. So I hope you like it. You can watch this one on Patreon. I've also uploaded another tone study for you on YouTube. So, busy morning. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.